India's railway network is a vital transportation lifeline, and its stations are constantly evolving to meet the growing demands of modern travel. As part of the Amrit Bharat scheme, around 90 railway stations under Southern Railway Zone are undergoing modernization. Considering this, Chennai's St. Thomas Mount Railway Station is undergoing a remarkable transformation under Amrit Bharat scheme. With newly constructed ticket counters featuring improved lighting and layout, the station now offers a more organized experience for commuters. Resurfaced granite platforms and modern shelters provide both convenience and aesthetic appeal. Real-time digital train timing boards, mobile charging units, and improved platform signage ensure seamless travel. The addition of new escalators and foot-over bridge enhances accessibility, making the station safer and more efficient for all passengers, marking a new era in train travel.
This area is large area, so they are putting granite and all very costly they are doing. Then sheet, then mobile charging also they are providing. Then 2 bathrooms and are neat, very neat only.
जब ये स्टेशन में देखने से अगर ये मेट्रो स्टेशन जैसा और स्मूथ है और सही भी है, और दूसरा इसके अंदर क्या एक नया तरीके से आया है तो इस डिस्प्ले और टीवी का ये सब चीज है और पब्लिक को सर्टिफिकेशन है.
In the process of this majestic transformation of Southern Railways, now let's take you to the Paris of the East, Puducherry, where Mahe Railway Station is undergoing a remarkable transformation under the Amrit Bharat Station scheme. The modernized station will feature upgraded ticket counter, parking facilities and display board. The state-of-the-art infrastructure and improved amenities offer passengers a seamless and enhanced travel experience. With this upgrade, Mahe Railway Station will become a symbol of comfort, efficiency and accessibility for all.
I have seen that so many new seats are here and the parking facilities become more upgraded, and now they are constructing a lift and all, and the seating arrangements are good now.
Alongside Mahe and St. Thomas Mount Railway Station, the redevelopment of Sulurpeta Railway Station in Andhra Pradesh is also progressing under the Amrit Bharat Station scheme. This transformation aims to modernize the station with enhanced facilities, improved infrastructure, and better passenger amenities. The redevelopment of all these stations in Southern Railway Zone will ensure efficient and comfortable travel experience to all commuters.